Is keto actually making fat loss harder for you? You're cutting out carbs, eating all the fats, and expecting the weight to melt off just like you read about. But instead, you hit a plateau, feel exhausted, and worst of all, the second you start eating carbs, you gain it all back. Here's the truth: carb cycling can give you the same fat burning benefits of keto without wrecking your metabolism, energy, and or hormones. If you've been stuck on keto or afraid to eat carbs, this video is going to change the way you see fat loss forever. So first of all, what is carb cycling? Let's break it down. Carb cycling is a method where you alternate between high carb, medium carb, and low carb days instead of completely cutting out carbs like keto or carnivore. For example, a high carb day boosts your metabolism, refuels your muscle, your metabolically active tissue, and it prevents fatigue and your metabolism from slowing down ultimately. And then you have low carb days that tap into your fat reserves, put you in fat burning mode, and keep your insulin levels in check. And then you have those in between medium carb days that you eat some vegetables and fruit and that type of stuff. So why is this better than keto? Keto forces your body into a long-term carb restriction, which can slow your metabolism over time, which is bad news. Carb cycling lets you strategically use carbs for fat loss without messing up your hormones or energy levels or putting you in a fat burning metabolism state, fat storing metabolism state, sorry. So 3 reasons carb cycling works better than keto. Number 1, no keto crash means more energy and better workouts. On keto, most people feel exhausted after a few weeks because of extreme carb restriction. It's not sustainable. With carb cycling, high carb days refuel your glycogen stores, meaning better workouts, more energy, and faster recovery. The solution: use carbs to fuel your body when you need it most instead of fearing them. Number 2, it boosts your metabolism and prevents fat loss plateaus. One huge problem with keto: long-term low carb diets will lead to a slow down of your metabolic rate. Your body adapts, leading to plateaus and making weight loss harder over time. Carb cycling keeps your metabolism guessing and prevents this metabolic slowdown by strategically reintroducing carbs at the right time. And number 3, it's more sustainable and you'll have fewer cravings and better long-term sustainable results. Let's be real, giving up carbs forever is not fun or sustainable for most people. With carb cycling, you still get to enjoy carbs without losing progress. And of course, you have less binge eating, fewer cravings, less feelings of guilt, better adherence, and which all equal to long-term weight loss success. So how can you get started on carb cycling today? Here's a simple 3-day carb cycling meal plan for fat loss. Day 1, you go high carb, and this is a metabolic workout day to boost the metabolism and fuel those metabolically active tissue or muscle. Day 2, moderate carb or medium. It's an active, another workout day, rest day if you need to, maintaining your energy and burning fat. And day 3, you have a low carb, completely no carb on this day, which puts you into fat burning mode. You're getting into those fat stores, which equals maximum fat loss. I have a free carb cycling meal plan that you can click in the description for more guidance on the recipes, exactly what foods, that type of stuff. And then you just rinse and repeat, and you never have to totally give up carbs forever. You could even cycle for weeks at a time, but never go more than 21 or 30 days by completely eliminating carbs. So does carb cycling work better than keto? Yes, in a lot of cases, especially if you're interested in long-term sustainable results. More energy, faster metabolism, fewer plateaus, and it is sustainable, which is the name of the game. So have you tried keto or carb cycling? Which one worked better for you? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it.